So my advice would be to continue to learn. You seem like someone who is a learner, who enjoys learning.
Thank you.
And you seek out people, you seek out information. And you also seem like someone who likes to experiment, try new things. And you're open to different ideas, different methods, different materials. And you also seem like someone who your students would love very much. You care for them. Right now you're thinking about them, and it's summertime, and they're not in school. But you imagine a day when you will be with them, and you want to make that moment special for their learning. So I think you're already doing many good things.
Oh, thank you.
That will not only prepare you, but prepare your students for their future.
Thank you.